Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to use the circuit to investigate resistors. Notice that series is selected from the drop-down menu, indicating that this is a series circuit. We're going to move the cursor over the different parts of the circuit to identify the components. This is a power supply where a voltmeter is connected to it in parallel. And here's an ammeter reading the current passing in this branch. And here's another ammeter reading the current passing through this component with a voltmeter connected to it in parallel to read its voltage. And here's another component too, connected in series with the first component, and there's a voltmeter connected to component 2 in parallel to read its voltage. And here's a switch. All these components can be replaced with different components by clicking on them and selecting a different option. So let's click on the power supply to open the component box. Notice that power supply is already selected. Let's click the arrow here to see the different options in the drop-down menu. Notice that a range of different cell types can be selected. Let's select the single cell from this menu. Look at the values displayed in the circuit. There's a voltmeter connected across the cell. What does it show? Exactly! It shows the potential difference across the cell, which is 1.5 volts. Now, look at the ammeters in the circuit. What do these ammeters show? They show the current flow, which is 0.2 amperes. Now let's change component 1 and let's check the available options. We're going to select fixed resistor. And let's click on the arrow on the slider to move it one place to the right to select a value of 10 ohms. Now we're going to repeat this step for component 2. So we will select fixed resistor with value of 10 ohms. What is the value of the circuit in the current now? You're right, it's 0.075 amperes. The value of the current decreases in the presence of resistors.